Swipe up to open camera roll. Select the photo you want to make a sticker out of. Then click this pencil button. Then click this scissor. Now draw around the edges without lifting your finger. Only lift it up when you're done. Preview the selection, and if it's right, click done and you've got yourself a sticker. Then there are some instances where the edges aren't very clear, or maybe you'd want to make the whole picture a sticker. For such cases, select the rectangle rather than draw a rectangle around the subject. When you leave the screen, it'll preview the selection. Click done if it's right. You can access these stickers from this button and then clicking this scissor icon. Similarly, you can create a sticker from some video. The best selection tool would be rectangle or circle, but not necessarily. Place as much stickers as you want on a chat or a snap. Watch these videos to find out how you can send photos or videos from your local storage as snaps. Subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.